Good morning, class. I am Sir Jedpol Enribantos, your teacher in Science 5. So, sino nga po ulit ako? Okay, very good. So, ngayon, ang tatalakayin natin is about the moon phases. Exciting, di ba? So, for our learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, students will be able to first, describe the different phases of the moon. Second is identify and explain at least one local myth or belief about the moon and relate it to science facts. And lastly, demonstrate understanding of the moon's phases through a group activity. So, magka-group activity tayo mamaya. So, now, ready na bang lahat? Okay, so without further ado, let's start our discussion. So ngayon, class, ay may papakita ako sa inyong picture about the moon phases. Excuse me. And also, take note na tandaan nyo yung pasunod-sunod dahil later on is magkakaroon tayo ng activity. Okay na po ba? Okay. So ngayon, class, may mga nahalata ba or na notice ba kayo sa picture na ipinakita ko? Okay. Tama. Nag-iba-iba yung shape. Di ba? Nag-iba-iba yung shape nila. So bakit kaya? Sige, mamaya i-discuss natin yan. So ngayon, class, siguro may mga alam or mga narinig kayo na mga kwento patungkol sa moon. Kumbaga mga fairy tales, gano'n. O sino kaya sa inyo yung pwedeng mag-share ng mga stories? Anyone? Yes? Okay, very good. So now, class, ready na ba kayo sa ating group activity? Okay, magaling. Excited na excited ang lahat. So, for our group activity, maybe I will group you into two na lang para madali. So, for our group activity is ibibigay ko sa inyo itong mga cuts out. Okay, mga picture about the moon phases. And, ang gagawin nyo is papasunod-sunodin nyo sila in order based doon sa picture na ipinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, please count yourself into two. Okay, so ready na ba ang lahat ng group? Again, i-arrange nyo dapat itong mga pictures and mga cuts out na to in order. Okay? Maliwanag? Okay. So, start na. Okay, time's up. So, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Okay, especially dun sa mga nag-participate. Okay? So, congratulations. Now, for my questions, guys, ano yung mga na-notice nyo about sa order? Anyone? Yes? Okay, very good. So, ngayon naman, for my next question, how do the phases seem to change? Paano kaya? Anyone? Okay? Very good. Now, class, we will discuss about the 8 moon phases. So, let's start with the new moon. So, dito, kung makikita nyo is wala kayong makita. Diba? Mainly because walang sunlight na tumatama dito. That's why hindi siya sa atin visible. Maliwanag po ba? Okay, very good. So the next one is the waxing crescent. So there's a small silver light on the right side. On the left side rather. So this is the waxing crescent. Next one is the first quarter. So half of the moon on the left side is fully visible to us, di ba? Now, next one is the waxing gibbous. So, halos kaunti na lang yung hindi nakikita, di ba? More than half of it is almost full. Now, dito na, yung full moon. Marami na nagtatransform dito. Day joke lang. So, this full moon, visible na siya. Yung whole form ng moon is almost visible na sa atin. So, the next one is the waning gibbous or waning gibbous. So, start to get smaller na sa right side na. Parang pabaliktad na. Diba? Next one is the third quarter. So, kalahati naman siya but on the right side naman. Kabaliktaran na nung kanina. Nung first quarter. So, last, we have the waning crescent or the waning crescent. Just a tiny silver on the left or on the right side before it disappears again. And it will turn into a new moon again. Halos wala na ulit tayo makita. And pabalik-balik lang yan. It takes about 1 month. Then, cycle na ulit. Ganun na ulit. New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter. Hanggang sa paulit-ulit lang siya. So, ngayon, alam nyo na yung 8 moon phases, di ba? So, now, bakit kaya nangyayari yon? Di ba? Yung moon phases. Why does this happen? Well, because the moon goes around the earth. So, yung moon is umiikot sa ating earth. So, as it moves, we see different parts of the light up side from earth. So, the moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects the sunlight. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. So, now, I think everyone here has some stories regarding about the moon, right? Diba? Kanina nga may nagkwento nga ng story about sa moon. So, some people believe funny things about the moon. Like, katulad na lang nung kapag full moon, bawal ka daw maggupit ng buhok kasi malas daw yon, mamalasing ka daw buong buhay mo. Diba? Sino mang nakarinig nun? Diba? Or, meron pang isa, kapag daw full moon, dapat daw dun ka magtanim dahil it will help the plant grow. Diba? So, these are old stories and fun to hear. But, science tells us the moon doesn't really change our luck or how fast plants grows. So, walang katibayan. Okay? But, the moon does help move ocean tides. Though, sa ibang time naman natin yan i-discuss yung about sa tide. Now, why do you think a month has around 30 days? Diba? Sa calendar natin, maraming 30 days. So, a month has around 30 days because it based on the moon cycles around the earth. Okay? So, long ago, people noticed that it takes about 29.5 days for the moon to go through all its phases. So, from the new moon to full moon and back again. So, this repeating cycle help early people keep track of the time. So, they made months about the same length as the moon cycles. So, even though our modern calendars don't match the moon cycles exactly, the idea of month still comes from watching the moon. Naintindihan po ba? So, any questions, guys? Wala na. So, very good. Okay, class. So, ngayon, naintindihan naman na ng lahat ang tungkol sa 8 moon phases, is I think, ready na kayo para sa ating oral quiz. Uy, talagang ready na ang lahat. So, our first question, what are different phases of the moon? Anyone? Yes. Okay, tama. So, we have the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter or last quarter, and the waning crescent. So, very good. Takpakan. So now class, for the next question, how long does the moon cycle take? Anyone? Yes? Okay, very good. It takes about a month or 29.5 days or 30 days. Very good. So ngayon class, for our last question, what should we do when we hear myths? Ano kayang gagawin natin kapag nakarinig na naman tayo ng mga kwento? Should we believe them or ask why? Anyone? It's just an opinion. It's okay. Walang maling sagot dito. Anyone? Okay, yes? Very good. So let's clap our hands for those who got the right answer. Okay, very good. So class, to wrap our discussion, we've learned that the moon phases follow a regular pattern that takes about a month to complete. And this natural cycle is what inspired the idea of 30-day month. So while different cultures have added their own stories and beliefs about the moon, science helps us understand what's really happening in the sky. So by observing the moon, we connect with both Asian traditions and modern knowledge. But for you, you should keep looking up, because you never know what you might discover. So again, I am your teacher, Sir Jed Paul Enribancos. I hope you learned a lot from our discussion, and that's all class. See you again for the next discussion. Thank you.